My name's Anthony Myers. I'm here in KCBR showroom. Today we'll be talking about shower glass. There's a couple standards that KCBR does pertaining to shower glass. All of our shower doors go to about 2 inches above our shower head. Typically that's one of the things that drives our designers crazy. And whenever you see the shower head above the shower glass, all of our shower glass is 3/8 glass. We try and pivot glass on glass to where you don't have any of these tracks kind of going along the top. A couple things that people don't realize whenever you're talking about frosted glass is it's basically they sandblast the outside of the glass, and that gives it kind of that frost. We'll put the sandblast side on the outside of the glass. That way it doesn't hold oil, and sometimes it's a little bit harder to clean that sandblast. Whenever we're going through and laying out a shower door and shower glass, we'll try and hide any grout joints in the shower, just as you kind of look through our one in the showroom. This piece of shower glass covers up that grout joint going up the wall there. One of the things on a lot of our shower glass doors, we'll do frameless. So you'll kind of see on this shower in particular, there's 3 clamps that avoids kind of a channel going down along the bottom side of your shower door. One question that we get quite a bit is how do you clean shower glass? One of the things that we recommend is taking Rain-X wipes before you start using it and wiping the inside of the glass. That puts a film on the glass in order for it to help kind of keep water spots off of it. Whenever it comes to preferred vendors, KCBR has handpicked several preferred vendors of who we enjoy working with, whoever offers the best pricing to us and the best service as well. We use Classic Shower Door. We've used them for about 7-8 years. They do great work, and they always live up to our values as well. So today that's all we have to talk about on shower glass.